You'd be sure.
Plus Felipe is
Okay.
Jason. No, Jake. His camera is only 8 megapixels. Jake. Yeah, man. Smile. You gotta do the HP side. Definitely gotta be straight out. Trust me. If I'm in high school, yeah, I would definitely know. We take Asian pictures. We get all of that to go. Shit, we should have been doing it now. What? Launch. Yeah. Take some pictures. Are you taking pictures?
Videotaping.
No.
Video in it.
Nobody's gonna watch all of that.
No, but they wanted it, so.
Okay.
How much of an angle do we need here?
Like 2 degrees.
Stop pulling too hard right now.
Like barely any at all.
No, now you're probably in the middle of it. I see that. Thought we had airspace.
Boys.
Keep going.
I got it.
You want it? All right.
Yeah.
All right, still going.
Thanks.
No problem.
Charm. Wow.
Go!
Okay,
Yeah, good hands right over our heads.
Alright,
damn it.
grab the, Alright, you got the controller? Hello? We're launching, so you ready?
You're standing from like.
Alright, you have to. Alright, so we're gonna launch and give the clear signal. You guys move!
Hey, what's his name?
Yeah.
Countdown. Yep.
Rocket arms.
Alright, here we go.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Yeah! Wow!
Where'd it go, ours?
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Oh yeah, it's way up there. I'm not gonna lie, it's way up there. I can't even. It's a dot. Yes! Oh my gosh, that's way out there.
I better grab my bag.
9,000 feet, we hit it. That's high. Oh no, we're watching it. We're following it. It's recovering. It parachute deployed and everything. With an 8-second delay, everything deployed. It's working. Yeah, it's on camera right now. Yes. It's so small, I don't even think you could see it on the camera. Yeah, but it worked. All right, yeah.